if you're wondering what that noise is. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Bought a remote for my VCR. Couldn't find any info about the VCR, but you know, it's pretty straightforward. And the model number of the VCR, the remote, is the model number of the VCR. I just cleaned this. Why is it dusty? You can see it's in excellent shape. My battery is of choice for remotes. Carbon zinc. Yes, I have the door for it. Pretty clean, which is nice. Here's the info on the battery door. Made in Malaysia. So, let's try it out. There's no antenna connected. Let's see. Did I forget how to use a remote? Come on. Power. Yes. Cool. Guide. Nice, it works. Of course. Oh, that's right, you pressed the... Let me get my phone for the time. It's Monday, May 11th, 7:53 p.m. Clock. 1. 07. See, let's wait till the time changes so it's not a minute ahead like it usually is. Oh! AM. PM. 2. May 11th. 05:11. 26. Yes, Monday. Guide. End. Anyway, the model number. Well, on the front it says F380. Forget what it says on the back. I'll take a screenshot from a previous video. Program review. Pressing 3, it's not doing anything. English 5. Guide. Thought it was malfunctioning, it's not. Power. Okay. VCR/TV to turn the RF modulator on and off. Setup. Oh, okay. Audio setup. Oh, I didn't know that. Linear. Hi-Fi. 5. Stereo on. Wait, it was off the whole time? I don't think so. Okay. Let's add channel 10. Add/raise channel 8. Channel 3. Add. Play. Channel 10 is my transmitter. Play to add. Guide to end. And there we go. Let's go to channel 10. Oh, we're on 10 already. Anyway, yeah. I almost call it a VCR. The remote for the VCR works. What's AVX? Don't know. Anyway, that's it. I bought a VCR for my outtake.